exactly the same on this side.
Have a seat next to me.
Maybe I'll go, okay?
Yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more.
Good morning. It's a strange morning today. Almost every morning I would just go to the gym and continue with my day. But today we have to drive to Gold Coast for like tiny little thing, but we have to go there. So we thought we're just gonna go in the morning, like straight away, have breakfast in Gold Coast and just have a dip, have my bikini on. It's been more than a year since I actually jumped in the water. I'm not a water person, okay? But it's getting hot and I wanna try. Maybe I'll go, okay? Up with this linen dress because it's so hot. It's a beautiful morning. Look at this.
Smiling so damn much, it kind of hurts. Laughing so damn hard, it feels so good, it's such a rush. Prioritizing joy, loving kindness faithfully. Only have time for the good, the good, the good in life. Working on myself, keeping up with my health. Just trying to keep good vibes, good times only. Feel it in my heart, deep down from within. It's in my soul. I know how to get back to that joy, that vibe, that light within my eyes. I know how to get back.
It's a bit more windy out than I thought. I'm not really down to go in the water anymore. Let's go! I'm definitely not going in the water. I had a little dip, but that's it. I think G is already coming back. Moose is kind of a mug hard right now, just sitting next to me. Yep, just waiting. Just waiting. Oh, G. Somewhere there. Somewhere there. It's 9 o'clock and we're basically ready to go home already. But I know once we come back, it's gonna be a little work. So I better enjoy this little sun second I have. Oh wow. You love that dog.
Baby, you should get to know me. Tapping into that good energy.
So I don't know where last few hours went. We're back home and I was about to take a shower, but I got some posts, so I thought I was just gonna open it. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Yep, that's exactly what I thought. It's a mini massage gun. It took them decent time to send it to me because they were still making it. This brand had the big version of it and they just created the small one. It's just this Hydragun thingy. It's kind of a decent weight. Like, I thought it's gonna be a bit lighter because it's a mini massage gun. It's a nice packaging. Oh yeah, look at it. Huh. Okay then. Okay, this is sleek and it has 3 tips. I'm probably gonna use these 2 because, well, I don't know how to use them. There's probably instructions somewhere. So I was just basically curious how loud it's gonna be and how hard it's gonna be to hold it, because the one we have, I feel like it's kind of a similar weight, but the way you have to hold it, the handle is kind of long and your wrist gets tired of holding it. He's asleep. He does that sometimes. So again, curious how loud it is. And you know when you get cheap massage gun and if you just press it with force, it would just stop because it's not powerful enough. So I want to see if this mini thingy is powerful enough. That's the sound of the first level. That's the second level. And third level. It's not noisy at all. I mean, you can clearly hear me with this on maximum. Question is, does it stop when you press it? Let's try maximum. I'm actually afraid to touch myself with the maximum. Okay. It's intense. I can't really press hard enough on myself because, well, I'm a pussy. But I'm just gonna take a shower, and once I'm done with that, we're gonna try and push it as hard as possible on G's legs because, you know, he's a man. He can handle the pain, right? I'll be back soon. G! Hello? Please. Please. You don't have to.
Alright.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So what I want to try to do is stop massage gun.
Yeah.
First level.
Can I get 60 minutes massage? Ah. Powerful.
Okay, next level.
It's nice.
Okay, third level.
Go for it. How many levels we got?
Just 3.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah?
Mm.
Can I push it harder?
Why? Just let me get easy. Good stuff. Can you do exactly the same on this side?
Nah. You can do it yourself. No! Aw, Moose! So it works better than I thought actually because it's a mini, and somehow I thought mini is supposed to be not as powerful, but it's more powerful than the one we had, and it was like $500. So, and it was so comfortable as well because it's not like it's a long handle you hold and then your wrist gets tired. You can hold it like that and the whole power goes straight. It's hard to explain. It definitely passed the pressure test. I was going pretty hard on G going in there. So if some of you are after a massage gun, I'm just gonna link it down below for you guys. And I probably should read what these are for me later. In case you're wondering what's the sound, it's me. So it's already getting dark and amount of work I did today is kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. I thought I should probably finish the video here because the rest of the day for me is gonna be work and it's not really fun to watch. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Why can't we just start the play?